Annabelle Villeus. I'm 27 years old. I came here because I want to work and to give a better future for my children.
My name is Ryan Gaspar. I haven't seen my son for about 6 months.
My name is Myra Parsa Libatiki. Miss na ko na yung mga family ko. Gustong-gusto ko silang kunin. Gusto ko silang maipasyal dito, makita nila yung mga magagandang view dito.
My name is Michelle Cesar Macaranas. I've been here for 5 years.
I call them Optem because it's very affordable for Singtel prepaid. Actually, calling in the Philippines only 16 cents per minute.
Every nagtatap up ako ng Singtel, ginagamit ko yung 5B data. Ginagamit ko yung sa pag-surf data ng Yahoo, tapos Facebook. Oo, minsan nag-video chat ka.
Singtel Prepaid helps me a lot in communicating with my family because it's much more cheaper and it has the internet capability. For me, it's very fantastic because we have productive and we have spent time with our family. As long as our baby's happy, we're happy.
Because I use Singtel Prepaid because it's so cheap. I usually use the V019 to call my family.
Dahil po sa company niyo, narating kami ritong tatlo at nakasama namin muli si Michelle. Kasi si Michelle 5 years na siyang nag-work dito. Minsan lang namin siyang makasama. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for Singtel Prepaid.
Thank you, Singtel.
Singtel.